Theorem 6. When a tangent and a radius meets at the point of contact, it is perpendicular. You can say that the area where the tangent and the radius meets is perpendicular. That means the angle here is 90 and the angle here is also 90 degrees. That is what perpendicular means. This theorem 7 is, we call it the theorem of the alternate segments. When a tangent and the chord meets at the point of contact, the angle they form is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Now look at this segment. This first part now, let me explain this alternate segment so that I can get it better. This is the first segment. Look at the angle there. When you say alternate segment, the opposite segment there, the angle inside the opposite segment, this is the angle there. So that means the angle here is equal to and the angle here. Then you say the angle in the alternate segments are equal. The angle subtended by a chord and an arc is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Now this theorem, the 8th one, when you have two chords that meet either inside or outside the circle, this one meets outside the circle, this one meets inside, you have this formula guiding them. That's PQ, that means the entire length of the first chord multiply the distance from here to here is equal to the entire length of the second chord multiply the distance from here to here. So this is the formula guiding them. Likewise, the same thing here is still the same formula. When two tangents of a circle meet at a point with a center 0, the two tangents are said to be equal. That is, when a single circle has two tangents with a center 0, the two tangents are said to be equal. That means that is why having SR is equal to SK. OSR, that means the angle OSR is talking about, okay, OSR is this angle here. It is equal to OSK, this angle. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Likewise, the angle here is equal to the angle here. And this is 1990. Now to the 10th theorem. When you have a secant and a tangent, when they meet at a point, you have it that the squared of the tangent, that means the square of the distance of this tangent, is equal to the product of QR multiplying QK. That means the entire length multiplying the length from this part of this chord to the remaining part of your